Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of changing the vibration settings for Telegram Stories notifications. Do you find the continuous vibrations for Stories notifications distracting and want to limit them to only when your device is on silent mode? Well, you're in luck. Telegram allows you to customize the vibration settings for Stories notifications to switch your preference. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of changing the vibration settings for Telegram Stories notifications. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. In the top left corner of the screen, tap on the 3 stacked lines. This will open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Notification and Sounds. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Vibrate. Step 4. Tap on the Vibrate option. You'll see a list of vibration settings. Select Only when silent to limit the vibrations for Stories notifications to when your device is on silent mode. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the vibration settings for Telegram Stories notifications and reduce distractions from continuous vibrations. Changing the vibration settings for Stories notifications allows you to have better control over your notification experience. You can ensure that you are only notified with vibrations when you want, minimizing disruptions during important moments. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the customized vibration experience for your Telegram Stories notifications.